She on drugs.
You guys want to get out for a minute?
Okay, we'll try to find a park.
My sister went to jail trying to save it and everything.
Really?
Like you took my house. I had to go get a tent.
So we are down at they call it Skid Row.
Turn on the news the other day. Some stuff happened I'm afraid to say. I can't believe the world today. How can this be? Land of the free, home of the free.
This shit crazy. This is like a whole community of homeless people. But you see the people that don't look homeless that's down here? Look at them. They clean their stuff off. They opened the water hose up. This is fit. Again, this is Skid Row in Los Angeles. You think she moved it? I don't know. Maybe the city moved it. Or maybe we haven't come to move that. Or that's the homeless section. Yeah.
Well, here's San Pedro Street, so
Yeah, it was
she
on.
had to have moved it.
Oh, Marvin's killing me.
Now you said that's her cleaning right there.
Ask her. That's her right there. You
I'll
pull up and
ask
just say,
her.
where's the White House at? Look at her out here. She's naked.
Is she?
Yes.
She on drugs.
It's a bitch, get up. Put a top on. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Look at them all being like. She's so sad, boy. And the heat probably.
I ain't paying attention. Oh, it smells like boo right here. Oh my god.
Your AC works?
I'll ask
For the White House?
Taking people's stuff. You can see what I got left of it in the inside of this little tent.
Right here.
You
We used to be sewing and
I got a
everything.
jacuzzi.
Ask her, do she still be sewing? You still be sewing?
I don't sew no more.
Okay.
It took a toll on me. You guys want to get out for a minute?
Okay, we'll try to find a park.
No, you can park right here.
Oh,
This is
okay.
the bike lane. Just pull over on the other side of the white line.
Okay, you want to get out of line? I do. As long as you come with me.
See me?
I seen your first story when you was sewing.
Right.
You was at your sewing machine and stuff out.
That's what I started doing.
So she had the White House, and she said the police took it down. We came down here to see
I had to
it.
go help the family do some sewing and lost everything.
Okay, so she has a
That time
jacuzzi.
in my face. I was trying to lay on the floor. My sister went to jail trying to save it and everything. This is what's left of it.
Oh, wow. So she still got it. It's nice and together.
I still got my floor.
Uh-huh. So they stole the tent. They
Yeah.
didn't like that, huh?
No, I couldn't move it fast enough. They just came to terrorize.
I know. Yeah, that's sad.
That's the only reason I lost it.
So you putting it back together?
This is my jacuzzi.
It's nice.
I can't even get it in my house.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I had a 60-foot house.
Uh-huh. It's okay. You'll put it back together.
I already raised like $20,000 since they took it.
Uh-huh.
I did a GoFundMe. I got a house coming on wheels.
Yay.
Bigger and better. I ain't stopping no show.
Right.
You know, haters make it greater.
That's right.
All I did was get greater.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Nice. Look at that.
I'm trying to change the water.
Uh-huh.
But,
This is nice.
So
And
what's
you
your
are
name?
so beautiful.
not
Yes.
more beautiful than you guys
You
are.
are
It
beautiful.
takes one to know one. Mother,
That's my daughter.
Uh-huh.
daughter.
Yeah.
My daughter in the car.
Yep.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, I'm getting it back.
You will.
right.
You
Yeah.
will. Okay.
Wasn't this a part of your tent?
Yeah, they took the walls and didn't bring back the
Oh,
rest of the tent. They just brought the
no.
poles back.
Wow.
They took it all. They're gonna come back and say, "Okay, you can move back now."
Really?
Like you took my house. I had to go get a tent. I haven't lived in a tent in a long time.
That's messed
They
up.
took the tables. They brought the tables back.
Did they say why?
It was cleanup day. They haven't been here in 2 years, and they said because of COVID they stopped.
Oh,
But they
my
should have gave us a
God.
warning. They could have warned us and told us they were coming, so I could have got out the way.
Right, right.
They came in early in the morning, like 8 o'clock in the morning, and didn't warn
So
nobody.
they was taking everybody's tent?
They take certain streets at a time.
Oh.
It was this 5th Street. They came and took all the ones on 5th Street. But
We're out here
welcome to
with this-
Skid Row.
With this queen, with this soldier. She said haters make you greater, and they
Yes,
do.
They do.
absolutely.
And I'm just living my best life.
That's right.
Absolutely.
I'm not going back and forth with these niggas.
Period.
I am blessed and highly favored.
That's right.
Can't
Yep.
tear a good woman down.
That's right.
I'm gonna keep on going and
That's
going and
right.
going like an ever-ready battery. I'll be enjoying my jacuzzi right here. You know, sitting back like I do.
Yes.
Shining.
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 Get it, girl.
I am a voice for the community. I don't need stuff to be a voice.
Never by the hand. Grab me never by the hand. Be good to your family. Be good to your family. Maybe we can start again. Maybe we can start again. Come on, take a stand. Grab me never by the hand. Be good to your family. Maybe we can start again. Maybe we can start again. Come on, take a stand. Grab me never by the hand. Be good to your family. Maybe we can start again. Come on, take a stand. Grab me never by the hand. Be good to your family. Maybe we can start again. Come on, take a stand. Grab me never by the hand. Be good to your family. Maybe we can start again. Maybe we can start again. Come on, take a stand.
Until next time, mi amores, thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. I am so happy that I was able to get out there and meet all those beautiful people, and I just pray that they have nothing but the best coming their way, and I will continue to keep them in my prayers.